Hello everyone, this is Hardball Retro. Welcome to the Retro Dome. Today's game is Hardball II. This was published by Accolade in 1989 for IBM PC, 1990 for Amiga and Macintosh. It was developed by Distinctive Software, and it's one of, I believe, 6 titles in the Hardball series. So let's see if we can get this cranked up. We're going to use the Amiga version today. Using the Win UAE emulator. So I'm going to load, I did a save state, so we can just fire up the main menu. We don't have to go through the entire load process here. So let's see if we can get this working. There we go. Let's play in Boston. Sure. Okay. Just gotta make sure the controllers are set up properly here. So let's see. There we go. So we want to go to Control, and the home team. I'll be the home team. And then we need to go Visitor, Control, set that to Computer. And I think I'm not going to mess with the lineups or anything because it's an exhibition game. So we'll just go to Play Ball. Alright, let's play ball. So I'm on the mound. So I get to pick from whatever my pitcher has here. Got 5 options, so I'm going to go start him off with a curveball. Alright, so I point my D-pad in the direction of the choice that I want, press the button, then I get to pick where the pitch location is. So let's go there. Alright. Off to a good start. Let's throw him a changeup inside. Oh, foul ball. Alright, and let's go with a sinker. There. Alright. Notched my first strikeout. Let's go with a fastball in on this guy. The changeup. There. Screwball. There. Okay, 2-1 count, curveball, there. Okay, and so if you notice here, my third baseman's holding the ball. I do have to throw the pitcher, so I just press the button. Alright, well, there's a double, so let's go with a changeup. Changeup low. Now with a runner on base, apparently I have to throw back to the pitcher every time, which is a little bit annoying. I'm going to go fastball down and in. Sinker over there. And let's go with a fastball high and tight. Alright, 2 down, runner on second. Let's see if we can get out of this inning without allowing a run. Let's go with a changeup and high and outside. Oh, he's not biting on that one. Fastball low and inside. Alright, let's go with a curveball inside. Oh, get there, come on. Goes to third. Alright. So let's try a sinker low and outside. It's got a good eye, apparently. Screwball. Down the middle. There we go. Oh, oh, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it. Ah. That's interesting. Why he did not score there, no idea. Let's go with a curveball outside. With a fastball inside. Nice. Oh. I don't know why my second baseman has to chase it into the outfield and why his runners are not advancing. Interesting. But they did finally push a run across because the runners were forced to move up. Alright. Yeah, down 1-0. Okay. Let's see. Oh my. That's off the wall. 2-0. So apparently he only likes to move up 1 base at a time. Or there's some setting that I didn't turn on. But no, I'm not going to mess with it now. I'm just showing you the game anyway. So changeup, changeup, high. Alright, we're not very good at this game, apparently. Oh, that's dropping. That should have been extra bases. Don't know why he doesn't want to run. Sinker. Fastball. Fastball again. Low and away. Fastball went inside. Right. Doesn't want to swing at that one. Curveball. Curveball low. Come on, somebody grab it. Right. Looks like the only way I'm getting out of an inning is on a strikeout. I cannot feel the ball here at all. Inside fastball. So close. Hey, 6-0. I like to give up runs in the first inning, apparently. Low sinker. Catch it, catch it, catch it. Three outs. And we get to watch them run off the field. Can I? Yes, I can hit escape and get out of there. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to pick a normal swing. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can foul the ball off at least. So far, not good. Just want to get a piece of the ball. Yeah. Hey, hit the ball. Of course. Of course he catches it. Just because. We're going to skip that. We're going to skip that. And we're back in the field again. Fastball in. Oh. Why does my pitcher want to get it? Oh, he's actually running. Throw to second. Okay. Somehow he actually ran to second that time. Alright, fastball in. So there must be a way to change fielders, so I must not be doing that right. Yeah, probably should have read the manual first. Too late for that. Let's go with a changeup inside. Oh, he slid. Oh, didn't know you could slide. That's cool. Sinker. Sinker right down the middle. Let's see what happens. Caught it. I don't know how, but I caught it. First and third, one out. A double play, but there's no way I'm going to get a double play. Inside sinker. Curveball, low and away. Tie him up with a fastball inside. Let's see what happens. I think that was a strike. Come on, man. Curveball, low and away. Okay, 2 outs. Can we get out of the inning? Change up and in. Screwball, outside. Get in there, get in there, get in there. Nice. Why are we throwing first at the end of the inning? No clue. Hey, held him scoreless. Now, we just need to get on base. Oh, 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 look at that, look at that. Base hit. Sweet. Runner on. Timing is a little bit off here. That's a slow one. I look silly on that one. Let's go. Okay, made me look foolish on that. Let's see. Okay, got a runner on and not going to be able to do anything with it. Need to get my timing down here. Wow. Okay. Let's see. We're going to do purple in. And we misplayed that into a single, or I don't know, field hit. And we got to throw the ball back to the pitcher. Wondering why it's taking so long. It's because I forgot to throw the ball back. Alright, inside fastball. And why does the shortstop just stand there? Curveball. Whoa. He's stealing. Fires to third. He's out of there. Thank you for running into it out. We do appreciate it. Change up down the middle. Nice grab out in straightaway center. Deep center field there. That's 2 down. There's the heat. Sinker low and in. Okay. Curveball. Inside. Thought that was a strike, but fastball down the middle. Caught it. That's 3 down. All right, starting to get the hang of the defense. Now, if we could just hit the ball. And that continues to be a problem. Yeah, it's just great. Thought I had that one timed all right. Guess not. Ooh, okay. What if I made contact twice today? Come on, what am I doing wrong? Full swing. Is that between full swing and normal? Alright. Oh, oh. And caught. Alright, hey, got a piece. Got a piece. Let's skip the running in and out stuff. Be nice if there's a menu option to turn that off. There might be. Don't know. Alright, inside pitch. Change up down the middle. And my shortstop just stands there. Alright. Okay, runner on first, screwball down the middle. Hey. Hey. Alright, got the lead runner. I have no idea how I changed to my shortstop that time. Comes the sinker. Sweet. Alright, can we tie him up on some inside heat? Maybe up and in. There we go. Nope, not biting on that one. Fastball low and away. How about that? Swing over it. Come on. You wanted it. You wanted it. Sinker. Sinker there. Low sinker. Oh, man. 3-2 curve down the middle. Hey, he's actually advancing. Throws to first for no particular reason. Alright, we had 2 strikes there, and we couldn't get out. So, go low and inside. Okay. Let's go with a screwball down the middle. Let's go with a change up down and low. Didn't bite on that one. Fastball inside. Okay. Screwball down the middle. That's alright. For some reason, didn't tag up, didn't try to score. Don't know what's going on. Fastball there. Curveball there. Oh, there's another run for the visitors. High off the wall. Fastball. Low. Might need to bring in somebody for Big Al Miller here. Oh. Why does my pitcher have to get this? It's stupid. Not a fan of the defensive controls here. Can I get to the menu? Oh, I thought escape was the menu. It's not. Okay. Alright, who cares? It's exhibition, right? I'm sure there's a way to change your pitcher. Two and 0. Bases loaded. 1 out. Not good. Sinker. Oh. Here comes ball 3. Oh, we actually got a strike call. Alright. Fastball inside. It's by the third baseman. Nothing. Alright. Change up. Oh, picks him off a third. Unintentional pickoff. Cool. We'll take it. Screwball. There. Sweet. Let's go with a change up. There. Probably not going to swing at this. Didn't think he would. And we're going to set up the low and away sinker, which he's also not going to swing at. Oh, he surprised me and he swung at it. Alrighty. Get out of the inning, 3 allowed, and we're down 9-zip. Now, can I hit the ball? Great question. Oh, he hits it, and it's caught. Wow, just not good on offense here. Did I just whiff 3 straight times? I think I did. Alrighty, fastball in. Well, that was interesting. Here comes the screwball. Hit it. Throws to first. Big Al Miller has allowed 9 runs in 4 innings so far here. Curveball inside. Three and 0. Fastball down the middle. Here it comes. And my catcher wants to grab it now for some reason. Okay. Oh, got the out at first at least. But it's 10-0. Alright, so we got runner on second, screwball, and low screwball. Curveball down the middle. Not a strike. Interesting. Changeup down the middle. Screwball down the middle. sinker down the middle. Oh, almost doubled them off. All right, fastball outside. Change it down the middle. And my pitcher is chasing it. Okay, let's go with a sinker down and in. No. Let's go with a sinker down and away. Doesn't like the sinker. All right, fastball down the middle. Nice grab. I do say so myself. All right, can I put a run on the board? First of all, I gotta hit the ball. Oh, I let one go by. How about that? I'll let him work a little bit here. Okay. Nice. Get in there. All right. Got some wood on the ball. Let's see here. Let's go. Oh. Connects and caught. All right. Maybe we're getting the hang of this a little bit. Maybe not. But two straight. Two straight where we got bat on ball. And there's the strike. And we're back to our old swing and miss ways here. Oh, that could be caught. Okay, end of fifth. This game takes a while. Why am I letting them run out on the field? I don't know. Fastball. Got the leadoff man out. That's a start. Two balls, one strike. Outside. Oh. Shortstop actually went after it. Why is my left fielder just standing there? Not a fan of the defense in this game. Might have mentioned that earlier. Fastball inside. Here it comes. Oh, don't want to swing at that, do you? Screwball down the middle. Come on, get there. Get there. Oh no. Oh no. Thank you for not running. Don't know why you didn't run. Okay, one out, second and third. Sinker coming down the middle. Caught it. Sort of out number 2. What a strong throw home. Let's go change up down the middle. Here we go. What? We're just going to stand there, aren't we? So our shortstop just stood there like a statue. Alrighty. Curveball. Here it comes. And fastball right down the middle. Come on, hit it. Yep, he did that. Oh, goodness. There's the throw home, and he's out at the plate. Curveball. Curveball. Same spot. Okay, what just happened? Was it a foul ball? Foul ball, I guess. Fastball. Low and in. Fastball inside. Okay, super frustrating. Again, I'm probably doing something wrong. You can probably activate your fielders somehow, I'm guessing. Oh, there's the pickoff. Didn't mean to. Fastball down the middle. Here it comes. It's like you're moving through molasses when you're trying to field it. Not complaining, just complaining a bit. Curveball. High curve. Screwball. Up high. Oh, pegged him at second. Nice. But we're down 16-0. Okay. I think we're gonna call it after this inning. Mercy rule, because I'm not having this anymore. This is not fun. It's like not even close on these. Let's try a bunt. 2 strikes. 2-strike bunt. Okay. Well, let's see if there's a 7th inning stretch, I guess. Fastball. Throws to first. In time. It's mainly balls up the middle that are giving me a problem, I guess. Curveball. Sinker. I don't even know what I picked. Here comes the curve. Nice. Sinker. Throw home. No, throw home. I threw home. Come on. Oh, now the shortstop wants to be activated. Okay. Screwball. Catch it. Catch it. It's off the wall. $19-0. Just need one more out here. Come on. Really? First baseman just going to stand there? Really? Fastball low and in. No. Fastball down the middle. Okay. Screwball outside. Oh, got the call. Nice. 27. No. Alright, well, folks, I've had enough. We're going to end this right here, I think. Yeah. Alright, well, keep playing ball. Maybe just not this particular game. Not a fan. Until next time, it's Hardball Retro. See you soon.